What's happening, everyone? We are back again with another great amazing tech video. The video today, it's all about the green speaker. Now this kind of speaker captured me through first glance. It's stylish. It's not about the sound. Sometimes we are looking upon the sound through the speakers. I don't know about you guys, but to me sometimes what captures me is the design. So as I can see how much misery that kind of speaker it is, or how much misery that kind of device it is. So today we're gonna just see the green speaker, and these guys, they're doing good. So enough of me talking, let's get started. So here we have it. This is a Milan series of green. Some of you guys know last time we reviewed about the green product, and this kind of company, they usually release screen protectors and bunch of stuff. So today they got the speaker. Is it good enough? We're gonna just see, we're gonna unbox it and see what's packed inside. So enough of me talking, let's get started. Because I'm really kind of pumped to see what's goody about this kind of speaker. Some of you guys know I love a little bit like a retro-ish throughout speakers, and what we have here, it's really kind of awesome. So what we got inside, there's no any kind of paperwork. As you can see, there's nothing. We're just having the USB cable, which it's a micro USB cable here. As you can see, guys, this is a micro USB cable. We are having the aux cable, which you can just connect it with your phone. Yeah. Woo! Kind of love this kind of speaker, man. It's looking like a retro-ish. Just look at it. This looks really retro-ish. Let's be honest, guys, I love the design, and it's an RGB. Now let's see at the back what it can hold. As you can see, guys, at the back we're having the aux port, the micro USB port, we're having the memory card port, which is really kind of impressive. And you can see the model number here, it's called just Milan, and it's really kind of great. So on the front side here, as you can see, we are having the buttons. So this kind of button, it's a power button, and this one here is the main M. It's called M. I think this you can just change throughout the channel. This is the, it's like next, and this is next. So, or this might be working as a volume. It depends with how much it is. So we're gonna just turn it on and experience this kind of speaker. Whoa, that's incredible. I like the RGB. It's synchronized with the music. Whoa, man, just look, the RGB synchronized with the music. It's really kind of awesome. Whoa, this is epic. Whoa, this is cool. I like this speaker, man. I love it. It's dope. Whoa, the sound is quite not bad, but it's not that much like JBL, something you won't expect something like that, but the stylish of this kind of speaker, it's really kind of awesome. The stylish, this is what captured me. The way at glance, the way it stays, the way it captured me, it's looking like a robot. It's really admiring. I kind of love it, and I'm gonna just keep it somewhere for that kind of stylish looking, and it's a really kind of awesome speaker, to be honest. And you can see it has even some resting stand here, and it's really dope. So this kind of Bluetooth kind of speaker gives you much better surround of sound, not that much, but it's really kind of great if you like something like a retro-ish throughout your arsenal or throughout your setup. This kind of speaker is the way to go. So this is the Milan of green, and shout out to you, green. You have good products, but sometimes I don't see even your channel or even your website. It's kind of like a little bit kind of fascinating, but overall this kind of speaker, it's a really kind of awesome. Kind of love it. Dope. So guys, that's what's up about this kind of Milan series speaker from Green. It's a really kind of great and amazing speaker by its own kind of outlook, but when it comes to sound, don't expect a lot throughout it. It's just, I can call it throughout the scale of 10 to 0. This kind of speaker on sound, it can score only 4. It's not that much bass, it just gives you a normal sound, which it's just normal one, which I admire, because if you have a setup like mine and you want a speaker like this, it's really dope. It comes in handy, and it gives you a perfect decoration looking retro-ish throughout your arsenal. It's really kind of awesome. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about the green? Do they need to pull up their socks and give it much better sound, or do you think Marshalls, they have much better speakers? I understand. I love Marshall speakers, the way they look like. They're really kind of awesome, and I love the way they keep it throughout the retro-ish. So guys, that's what's up about this kind of Milan series speaker. It's a really kind of great and amazing kind of speaker out there, and it gives you bunch of kind of features throughout its own kind of retroish, and it's looking really awesome. I like it because you can just keep it somewhere, and man, it looks oldish, like, you know what I'm saying? It's really kind of dope. So let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this kind of Milan series. Is it like going throughout the retroish, or is just like a gimmick? You know what I mean? So yeah, this is the green speaker from Green. Yeah, it's green speaker from Green. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed on this video today. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.